Tourists? Oh, welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoth means paradise in Junkish?
Is the fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, any quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoth.
Watch out!
Broken rail ahead! Here comes another one!
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot to be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh, dear.
Smooth. There's a rift! How about
This
that,
could
huh?
be of you. Very impressive.
Out of our way!
That was unpleasant.
Here comes a jump!
Oh, dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on! It goes straight to the smelting pits!
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Whew! Made it. Oh, no.
Avast ahoy, yo-ho, yo-ho, our time has finally come! Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done!
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite Rivet.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys, attack!
Oh, dear. The pirates are waiting for scrap.
We can't let them get that hurl shot.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea.
Shields up, mateys!
Shields?
First mate be right! All hands get to plundering and scalawaggery! Singing me loud! But take ye treasure, it'll be treasure! I adore the way you fight, Rivet, but you should have seen the fixer. Such power! Alas, he broke!
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would love to take the credit, but no. The cause of the fixer's brokenness is a mystery to me. I will enjoy his absence, however. Grab anything that shines, twinkles, glimmers, and shimmers! Grab it all!
That's all. We've got the hurl shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate-filled chasm and find the fixer. Ah, my spine! Ah!
Incoming! Are we going to dance?
No, we are not.
Sharply!
hits like that.
I can't take it! This is what she gets for trying to steal what is ours!
What's yours?
Here the approach! It'll be a fool's quest to look for the fixer. I shall save ye the trouble.
We're wearing him down!
You're not going to scuttle me!
Halt my hearties! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be the expenses?
Are ye sure?
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted! No! Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again. Gotta admit, almost there!
Max! Pierre says they be fixing to fix the fixer! So fix them quick!
Ah!
How exactly will...
Hello? Are you, okay?
No. I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
Oh, my.
Nothing!
Yeah, at least the pirates are taken care of.
Please focus on the grinding.
He's bringing the whole place down.
Junk ahead!
Fixing is a vain and fleeting measure. Destruction is our natural state.
What is he, the breaker now?
I see a fellow broken one. You must accept your brokenness.
Is he talking about me?
Because of your arm? Don't listen to him, Bolts. If you're broken, so am I. And I think we're pretty awesome. Do you have any ideas? Because I'm having a hard time thinking while running away from a giant homicidal robot!
I am working on it.
The mine's collapsing. Great.
Men to enlighten. I am not deserving of enlightenment. I have no
wisdom. I may have an idea.
I'm all ears.
I am broken. I cannot fix. I cannot be fixed.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall!
Oh dear.
Can everything stop falling apart, please?
I am fixed.
What are you doing?
Improvising. I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
I am quite relieved. When the Bullards asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes to a great many broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
But being able to fix another, to see that all is not lost. How can I ever repay you both?
Can you fix this? Thank you.
You just gave an old giant robot the gift of hope. It should be I who is thanking you.